Hello dears, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video you're going to watch that how we can share a folder using a computer management console. So we have three different of sharing available with our Windows. So this is Windows 11. So if you're using a different version of Windows, so don't worry, this computer management console is also available for your Windows as well. So we have three default sharing, but the first one is default sharing, and the second is hide share, and the third is we have this normal sharing as well. So you can say that we have a default share, normal share, and also hide share available with Windows. So we have two methods to access computer management console. So the first one, you click on my computer on the desktop, go to manage. So the computer management console is going to open for you. So from here you can see this share folders. So also the second method to access this computer management console is when you press Windows key and R and then type compmgmt.msc. so we are going to hit enter. So again it's going to show you this sharing folder. So you can see this shares is all by default. So let me see how I can access this shares as or not. So we are going to type cmd, press Windows key and R to bring the R command, type cmd, then hit enter. So now I'm going to find my IP. So we are going to type like ipconfig. So you can see this is my IP 192.168.1.114. So we are going to type this //192.168.1.114. So when you're going to hit enter, so you can see any sharing over here because it's all hide share under here. So you can see this admin, this C drive, this D drive, this data, this IPCS, it's all hide share. Why? Because there is a $sign at the end of the name of the folder. So suppose that if anyone want to access your C drive, so it can't because they have to type C with the $sign. So now we are going to type like C with this $sign. So again we are going to bring this R command. So this time we are going to type /C and we are going to put the $sign at the end of this C letter. So you can see this is description is default share because this is all default share over here. So this C drive, this D drive, this IPC, not this data because I already shared this. So this is all the default share folder and files or drive that's available with your Windows. So this is the default share and also it's a hide share as well. So we are going to click OK. So now you can see I can access my C drive by using the name of the sharing name. I can access this default share along with the $sign that I'm going to put it. So this is also the default share and also the hide share. So now this data is also shared over here. So let me right click and stop sharing. So we are going to share it again. So now I'm going to right click over here, click on new share. So we're going to click next, browse. Now I'm going to select a file from the desktop. So now this is my data. I want to share it across the network so anyone could access this data. We are going to put a lot of files inside this, so anyone want to access this file, so we can synchronize data or we can use this data across the network. So we're going to click OK. So now I'm going to click next. So here it's going to ask me you want to share this. So now we're going to share it normally. So we don't want to give it any description. So if you want to add a description like this is the data sheet folder or something, you can put it right over here. So you can see we have this offline setting as well. So if you want to change the offline setting, like only the file and program users specify are available offline, or no file or programs from the share folders available offline, or you can select all files and programs that user open from the shared folder are automatically available offline. So we are not going to change anything, we are going to put it on the only the files and program that user specify are available offline. So we're going to hit OK. So now we're going to click next. So here you can see all users have read-only access, or administrator have full access. So from here you can specify the authorization, and also you can see we can change some more permission, like we can click on the custom. So from custom easily we can change put it on the change or full control. So for now we are going to put it to read only. So we're going to click finish. So now I'm going to click finish. So this folder is now shared. So let me access this IP. So this is normal share. So when we are going to enter the IP address, so now we are going to type the IP address 192.168.114. So you can see this is now available over here because this is a normal share. So anyone with this IP can access this data with no restriction. And let me show you, if I want to go inside this and if I want to delete this BitLocker recovery key, let's try delete this. You can't delete this because you need permission to delete this. So I'm not going to give it full control for now, because we can go to this properties for this folder, and from this sharing permission and security. So for the security is going to be default, like fully control a system, and for users you can specify which users have full control when these users access this folder. So for now we don't want to give permission to a specific user. So if we want to change the authorization or permission to full control, so anyone got access this folder and change anything, or can delete anything, or can edit anything. For now, because we put it to read only, so only users can read the files and folders inside this sharing data. So also let me show you how you're going to hide share this one. So if you want to make a new one, so you are going to, let me stop the sharing of this. So let's try make this folder hide share. So we're going to select that data folder again, click next. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add a $sign at the end of the name. So now this is going to be hidden. You can see this share path is, you can type the not only the IP address, you can type the computer name as well slash the folder. So now we're going to click next. Also customize, click on the read only, click OK. So now we're going to finish. So now if anyone want to access this, so we are going to type this IP address. You can see, let's try one more time. So we're going to type the IP address again and hit enter. So you can't see any share folder over here because we made it hide. So we have to type like slash, and you have to type like data with the $sign. So now we're going to click enter. So you can see this folder is now accessible by using this $sign name. So anyone want to access this folder, so they need to know the name of the folder along with the $sign, so they can access to this folder easily. And also if anyone access this folder, so basically you can see this basically you can monitor them, like you can see the session. So this users, now this is my user I access. So you can see it's showing that this session is now turned on with this folder. So user Firdaus, computer name is, you can see the type of Windows, open file now 0. So you can session, like you can monitor all your access of or your share folder from here. So you can see all the sessions that access the share folder. So if you didn't see anyone that accessed your share folder, it means that maybe there is a problem with the connection, or maybe they couldn't be able to access the file. So easily you can find out the accessing, or you can monitor all the session of your users from here. And also if I click on the open files, so if anyone's open files, so if we want to open this one, so here if you refresh this, so you can see this is open file. Now this folder is open, so accessed by which user, type of Windows, you can see the logs, and open mode is now ready. And also the session is already here, so you can see the open file is showing too. So you can monitor all your share folders and your everything from here. So if you want to close that file, so simply you click from here and click yes. So again you're going to click on this because we opened two, so we're going to click yes. So it should be closed from here because this is available inside our PC, so it doesn't actually close, but it's going to close for the other computer that want to access your files. So the users is going to not access that when you're going to close this. And also for the session, you can close session and click yes. For now we are attempting, see this error is going to show up here. So now this is not going to close because this session is from my own PC, so I don't want to. If you do this for a PC that's accessed your file, so easily it's going to close that session. So if you want to arrange, and here we have a lot of other options, like you can click on the large icons, and also you can see this arrange icon, so to arrange if you have more files shares over here. And we have lineup icons as well. So if you click lineup icons, means if you have more icons, so this is going to line up everything. So now we have this kind of shares available with our Windows. So hope you guys enjoy this tutorial or this video, and you learn something how to share your folders across your network and how you can monitor them. And now you know the type of the shares available with your Windows, and it really can help you in your office, in your works. And if you think this video is really helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos, don't forget to press or hit the bell icon, so you are going to be notified about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys until next video.